In this example, we will see how to use predicates and how to use filter method of the stream. So we know that predicate is a functional interface that basically tests a condition. It returns a boolean. So whatever condition we are providing in the form of predicate to the filter method, it will apply that test to each stream element, and all those elements which do not satisfy this condition, they will be filtered out. But the remaining elements, if they satisfy the condition, they will be passed down to another stream operation if there is any. So for example, here we have 3 movie objects with their release year in the bracket, and this is the stream. So it shows that each movie object is coming one by one from the source because it is the stream processing. Then we have this filter operation here with the condition that release year must be greater than or equal to 0. Now when the stream processing starts, it will get first movie object from the source. So it comes and it will be validated against this filter operation, this predicate, but it sees that okay, the movie year, the release year is just 2000, not greater than 2000. So this item will be discarded. It will not be sent for further processing. So this is discarded. Then M2 comes. Again, it gets validated with the same condition and it is discarded. Now another element from the stream comes this time because we have the release here which is greater than or equal to greater than 2000. So it passes the test and it will be sent down to another intermediate operation in the pipeline for further processing. So that is the job of filter operation. It accepts a predicate. So we provide a condition, and that condition will be used to filter out the stream elements. So let's see a code example of that. Here we have the list of movies and we are interested in all those movies released after year 2000. So that is, this is how we can do with traditional Java code before Java 8. So we iterate over movies, then for each movie we check the release year, and if it passes the condition, we simply print the movie. So I'm not going to run it because we know how it works. So I will simply comment it and we will transform this same code in a stream code so that we know how to perform the filter operation, how to do the same thing but using stream. So here is a simple stream setup. It basically prints all the movie objects on the console. We already know this. All we need to do is how do we filter the movies. To do that, there is a filter intermediate operation on the stream we call filter. And if we see, it receives a predicate. So let's try to implement that predicate. So the input to this filter operation will be the movie object because this is a stream of movies. So we get the movie object and then we have to write the condition. So what we can simply do is, because we need to check the release year, we write this condition. All right. And now because we have the predicate, we can convert it into a lambda. So we remove everything. We only keep the implementation. And that's our predicate. That's our filter operation. Now if we run the code, so we see only a single movie object because its release year is greater than 2000. So that's how we use the filter method on this stream. What we can do is, because we know how chaining works, so let's say if the problem statement changes to print the title of the movie with release year greater than 2000. So what we can simply do is we can call another map operation. Okay. And we can simply use a method reference to print the movie title only. Sorry. So we see the Dark Knight because its release year is 2008, which is greater than 2000. So again, we see an example of method chaining. So first we are filtering the elements and then we are mapping because we are only interested in title. So that's how we use the filter operation. That's it for now. Thank you.